Welcome to the Tech Tricks channel. In this tutorial, we will cover very easy steps to make a USB bootable. To create a Windows 10 bootable USB, you will need a minimum of an 8GB USB drive. Let's start performing the steps. Open Google Chrome. Type Windows 10 download in the search bar. Click on the first link. Clicking on the Download Now button will initiate the download of the Windows 10 setup. I have already downloaded it. Now we will need a software called Rufus to create the bootable USB. Go to Google Chrome. Type Rufus download in the search bar. Click on the first web page link. Click on the first link to download the setup. Open the setup file. Leave the boot selection option on disk or ISO image. The USB device you have plugged into your PC will be shown under the device option. Click on the select button and choose the Windows 10 ISO file that you downloaded earlier. Select MBR in the partition scheme. Leave the other settings at their default. You can give a name to your USB in the volume label option. Click on the Start button. Click OK. This pop-up is informing you that all data on your USB will be formatted. It will take some time for the bootable process to complete. The bootable USB is now ready. Open File Explorer. Unplug the USB from the system and then plug it back in. The USB is now completely bootable, and the bootable icon is also showing up.